Showing the garage door. Going up. Going down. You can see it's all up. It's going down. So that's been taken care of. I'll show you that I'm at your house here, just so you know. There's your air conditioner. Here's your street. There's your address right there. 6710 Sunderland. I don't know if there's a street sign here, but there's your for rent sign. I'll show you that. Also, a little snow, not a lot. A little snow for Christmas. So, not a lot over here. There is some other places. So, anyway, I want to show you that. Have a great day, and we got her done. Thanks.